Hi friends! Today I am going to make chicken sounds without a chicken. With a cup, a string, and a paper clip. First, I made a hole in the bottom of the cup. Here. And then I tied the end of the string to the paper clip and then put the string through the hole. Here is the hole. I put the string inside with the paper clip facing up. Now let's make the noise. I'm using a wet tissue so it'll make louder sounds. I am going to put it near the cup and drag it with my nail like this. Do you know why? It's because when I rub this string with my nail, this string would vibrate. As it vibrates, as it is tied to the paper clip will vibrate next. And then it'll make this cup vibrate. So, due to the shape of this cup, those sounds will amplify into loud sounds because they are quiet and they turn loud. And thus, those louds are very loud that we can hear them like a chicken does. Remember, there's no chicken in here. Did you know that some string instruments like guitar and violin and some others use the same principle? Where when we play the guitar, those strings will vibrate. Due to the shape of the guitar's body, those sounds will amplify into loud sounds like this cup right here. Isn't it interesting? Let's watch more interesting facts in the next video. And until then, bye bye.